Normally I'll be really excited to get a Note device, but my excitement level is like really low for the Note 10 Plus. Note 10, I just throw away the Note 10. Just act like that doesn't even exist. But the Note 10 Plus is actually the Note 10. I don't know what Samsung was doing, but yeah, it's just nothing. There's nothing big that's jumping off the page when you look at the specs for the Note 10. I mean, yes, it is a great phone, but it just didn't bring any new features that just made you just in a rush to get it. So, and this is all because I am really disappointed that Samsung did not include a high refresh rate display. Like when you get a Note 10, you're you're ready. You just know you're gonna get the best of the best. They're not gonna leave any stones unturned. But this, why Samsung? Why not a high refresh rate screen? I know you've seen the posts, Twitter, everywhere. Everyone was waiting for a high refresh Note. Just let everyone down. So yeah, I'm not excited, but I'm happy to have the S Pen back and Samsung Pay. But I don't know. But maybe, just maybe, after having this phone for a few days, I might change my mind about this phone. So let's get to the unboxing. Perfect. Alright, rant over. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Whew, got the beast on top. The quick tab to pull it out. It's actually not that heavy. Doesn't feel that much bigger than the OnePlus 7 Pro. Just put it to the side and let's go ahead and just start it up while I look into see what's in the rest of the box. Come on. There we go. Let's go ahead and start up on the side. See what else is in here. Another cover, some labels and stuff. T-Mobile SIM card. The fast brick. So Samsung finally decided to include a faster charger, 25-watt charger. You can also get the 45-watt charger. You can buy that separately. But Samsung was stuck on Quick Charge 2.0 for the longest. It's like a Quick Charge like 4.0 now. But they finally decided to upgrade the charger, which I'm excited. And it's also USB Type-C on this side. So that's a good thing. This is, this is the charging cable. USB Type-C on each side. That's a good look. The headphones. Oh, the headphones. So we all know by now that Samsung removed the headphone jack. So now we have also braided cable. So this is cool. And it's Type-C. I'm interested to see how it sounds using just the Type-C rather than the headphone jack, but figure that out later. Alright, let's get to this bad boy. It's kind of weird having the power button on the left side, so let's take a quick look around. So you got the power button, the volume rocker. Oh, let me know what, let's just take this plastic off because it's already annoying me. Bust that off right there. And there's nothing on the front. Oh, that looks like it's a screen protector. It's already on the front. But on the right side, you don't have anything. On the top, you have the SIM and micro SD slot. That's for the speaker grill, microphone. On the bottom, USB charge type C. No headphone jack. It's cool. I mean, I'm at the point now where all my headphones are wireless. I mean, I have a few that's corded, but yeah, headphone jack is dead. Got the S Pen. Ooh, I missed this. Oh, this color is kind of dope too. Put that back in, get to that later. Got a speaker grill. On the back, oh yeah, that looks good. It's not that crazy as I thought it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna be much more colorful, but depending on the angle you put it, it's a little bit. Well, let me wipe it down real quick. But it's definitely more silver looking than you would think, but I like it. But yeah, 3 cameras on the back, ultra wide, standard camera, and the zoom camera, 2x zoom. And then you have the depth sensor. So that's something different that you don't get on the Note 10. All right, I'm going ahead and set this up real quick. I'll move some of this stuff to the side. Run through the setup. All right, now I gotta set up my fingerprint scanner. This has the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which they started on the S10, so now they carried it over to the Note. All right, setup is complete. Boom. Note 10. Damn, the icons look so big. Like for a blind person. So you know the first thing you gotta do, the phone comes like out the box at 1080p. So like the first thing I do with my Samsung phones is change the resolution. So I just do resolution, screen resolution. And then see right here, it's at full HD plus. So we're just gonna change that to WQHD. Apply that. Boom. So now you're getting full power. And then this next thing I gotta do off top is just change this to like dark mode. Night mode, dark mode, it's all the same. Boom. Now that looks much better. All right, I'm gonna finish setting up this real quick and come back up with initial thoughts. Okay, so I put all my info in here and played around it for a little bit. And one of the first things that jumped out is, man, the camera is so much better on here, especially the front facing camera. And I don't know if you know already, but it do have the little hole punch front facing camera, and it's a 10 megapixel and it's actually good quality. But one thing that's already bothering me so far is the power button. I wouldn't say it's bothering me. I guess I'm just used to the power button being on the right side, but the power button being on the left side is caught me a few times. But I am glad they got rid of the Bixby button. That Bixby button was pretty much pointless. So now you can remap the power button to just be 100% just the power button and not turn on Bixby, because who uses Bixby? But yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. It's a couple things I do want to go through, and I might just split that up into a bunch of different videos. First thing I got to do is go through and set up the phone how I like it. So I'm probably be the next video coming up is how I set it up. But yeah, let's make this official and switch from my OnePlus to the Note 10 Plus. I think I'm gonna really miss this phone, and like I think I still like the Nebula Blue on the OnePlus 7 Pro more than I like this silver change colory thing. It's like, I don't know. I think the blue still looks better, but this is still cool. But yeah, let's pop the SIM card out of this and throw it in the Note 10 and make it official. Where is my SIM card ejection tool? Oh, I forgot to take out the box and stuff. You know, one thing, like, everyone always just ignores what's in this box, but I feel like one day, like, Samsung or another manufacturer is gonna put a surprise in here for us, like, cause just like, who reads these books? Like, I don't know, like, you know, like Apple put like stickers in here. Maybe someone's gonna put something in here that's actually makes you worth looking at this stuff. But yeah, but let's get the SIM card ejection tool and pop out the SIM. Man, I'm gonna miss this phone. Especially that refresh rate. And could I tell just initially? Yeah, I could tell the screen, that refresh rate is not there. It just seems just that tad bit slow. But maybe on the S10, S11, Samsung might finally put it on there. But I can tell. It's a little hard to put in, actually. The hell? Okay, there we go. Let's make this official. SIM card going in. Woo! It's in there. That's it for this video. It's official. Gonna mess around with the phone for the next couple days. That was another Joe Tech Talk. Don't forget, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to catch the next couple videos I got coming up, because I definitely have some more coming up regarding this S10 Plus. There are so many features, and yeah, I want to take some time and go through them and then let you guys know what I think and then come back with the full review. But yeah, subscribe, hit the like button. I'm out. So I did grab a case from Spigen, just a clear case to get a little protection, because this phone is probably gonna be really easy to break. And that's another one up that OnePlus has, is they provide a case for your phone in the box, and no one else does that I know of. Yeah, put this case on here, make it official. Wipe this down. I really like these Spigen cases. Looking good, looking good. Slime boy protected. Oh, we in there. We lit. All right.